Hi Bold Bakers! It is really important to me that you know how to make a killer cream cheese frosting, because when it comes to carrot cake or red velvet cake, you can't have one without the other. Now the recipe for this frosting can be found on biggerbolderbaking.com. It is really easy to make, and we're going to start out in a large bowl. Okay, first things first, room temperature butter. Now you want to make sure this is nice and soft for frosting because it whips up so much better. And then next, the star of the show, cream cheese. We love some cream cheese here on Bigger Bolder Baking, so in you go. So next we're going to add in some vanilla extract. Now I love vanilla extract, but if you don't have it, feel free to leave it out. But I just think that it adds a whole other level of dimension to this frosting. So go ahead and add that in. So now all you need to do now is whip it up together. Now you can do this in a stand mixer or use electric hand mixer, or if you've got a lot of elbow grease, do it with a hand whisk. So now all you want to do here is just whip it up for around 3 to 4 minutes until it gets nice and light and fluffy. That's what we're going for, and there's no lumps. This is looking great. Okay, and then also just a little note, just like the way we had our butter at room temperature, you also want to have your cream cheese at room temperature, which helps it whip up. Okay, lovely. Now into this, we are going to add in some powdered sugar. So now what we want to do is go back in with our mixer and then just whip it up again for another 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar is fully combined and you have a nice soft frosting. So now this is one frosting, but I do have a recipe for best ever buttercream frosting, and I suggest you check out that video because there's lots of tips to help you have successful frosting every time. So check that out. So there you have a beautiful cream cheese frosting. And now what you want to do is put this into the fridge for maybe 2 to 3 hours and let it chill before you use it, and then it'll be really easy to decorate cakes and cupcakes. I love this frosting because it has the best of both worlds. It's a little bit salty from the cream cheese, and then it has a subtle sweetness from the sugar, and then the creaminess from the butter. This goes really well with my red velvet donuts, my best ever carrot cake, and most recently my microwave red velvet cake. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here really soon for more Bigger, Bolder Baking.